Today we're going to explore how to connect AppSheet with Google Calendar, a powerful tool to manage events and bookings through a custom no-code application. Let's begin by creating a new calendar. This will act as a kind of database that AppSheet can use to track different types of events. In this example, we'll name it Book Appointments, but feel free to label it however you like. You can even adjust the time zone to suit your needs. Once you've named your calendar, click Create Calendar to save it. It'll now appear in your list of calendars. Now that our calendar is ready, let's jump into AppSheet. Click the Create button, select App, and choose Start with Existing Data. I'll name this app Schedulo, then click Choose Your Data. Here you'll see a few data source options: Google Sheets, Google Forms, and Google Calendar. Let's go ahead and select Google Calendar. AppSheet treats calendars similarly to how it handles tables in Google Sheets. From the list, select Book Appointments, which is the calendar we just created. Now we'll wait for AppSheet to sync. In this demo, I've already added some calendar events, which you can see in the preview screen. Just like with Google Sheets, AppSheet reads the calendar data in a table format. Let's move on to customizing the app. In the Views section, I've chosen a deck view type. I've also set up some custom groupings, which I'll show you in a moment. There are also format rules. For example, events marked green are active, while orange means you've been invited but haven't responded yet. Yes, you can fully manage your booking appointments through AppSheet. You can design the app to fit your workflow. I've created a custom label that shows the day of the week, along with the event name as the primary header. The secondary header displays the event description. Let's take it a step further. There's a summary column that uses custom logic to show the start and end times of the event, plus the duration in minutes. Here's how the app looks on desktop. When you click on an event, you'll see all the details, including a Google Calendar link and a Google Meet link for online meetings. Let's take a quick look at the Edit tab. Here you can invite people to meetings or view events you've been invited to. And here's the custom grouping I mentioned earlier. Events are grouped by year, month, and week, making it easier to navigate and organize schedules. And that's it for this video. If you'd like to learn more about AppSheet, head over to Steegle.com for more resources and guides. And thanks for watching.